The adaptive cruise control automatically adapts the vehicle speed to the actual flow of traffic. This means it maintains a constant time gap to the vehicle ahead. It's a system that lets the driver know if the distance becomes critical. The wheel brakes are activated if the distance becomes unsafe. The adaptive cruise control system has a radar fitted to the front of the truck and interacts with both I-shift and the vehicle's brakes. The driver selects a specific cruising speed using a button on the steering wheel. The chosen speed is then shown in the center display. Adaptive cruise control lets the drivers concentrate on their driving.